pulling costs down while increasing production is the answer to staying competitive in today's fast-moving economy. The Hansa YL850-B, YL850-B plus APC, a high-speed vertical machining center, is designed to help you reach new levels of productivity through high-speed and high-efficiency machining. Using a standard DT40 10,000 RPM belt drive spindle or optional 12,000 or 15,000 RPM direct drive spindle, this machine will provide high-speed operations for precision molds and parts machining. YL850-B plus APC comes equipped with a 24-tool arm-type magazine, providing fast tool change of 2.5 seconds. Another version, YL850-B plus APC, a high-speed vertical machining center equipped with automatic pallet changer (APC). The highlight of the Hansa YL850-B plus APC is the integrated automatic pallet changer. The swing-over type APC features fast pallet change, cutting non-productive time significantly. Fast pallet change can be accomplished in 16 seconds. To meet high-speed machining requirements, the machine structure design is focused on structural stability and high feed rates. The column base is reinforced for significantly upgrading structural strength and rigidity, enabling the machine to exhibit extra high stability in high-speed machining. XYZ axes are all mounted with linear ways, allowing rapid traverse rates of 36, 36, 30 meters per minute. The base is mounted with two linear ways coupled with great span between ways for smooth motion, high feed rate, and high positioning accuracy.